Have you ever seen code online that looks cleaner, smarter, and shorter and wondered what magic made it possible? That magic is ES6. It's like giving JavaScript a superpower upgrade. In the next 5 minutes, I'll break down the top ES6 features in simple everyday language. No tech jargon, just real world clarity. ES6 or ESWe 2015 is a major update to JavaScript. It brought in a bunch of new tools that make writing code easier and more efficient. Think of it like switching from a flip phone to a smartphone. It's still a phone, but way more powerful. So let's walk through the most useful ES6 features with easy examples. And before ES6, we only had var to declare variables. It was like giving all your tools the same name, you'd get confused easily. Now we have let and const. Use let when the value might change, like tracking your score in a game. Use const when it shouldn't change, like your birth date. It makes your code clearer and more predictable. Arrow functions are a shorter way to write functions. Imagine you're texting someone, you'd rather say yo instead of you to save time. That's arrow functions. Instead of writing a full function with a function, you just use equal sign. It's cleaner, faster, and keeps your code tidy. Tired of using quotes and plus signs to build a sentence? ES6 gives you template literals. Just use backticks and $list to insert variables into strings. It's like Mad Libs. Instead of hello plus name plus sign, now you write hello $name. It reads like normal English. Destructuring is like unpacking a box of toys and giving each one its own name right away. If you have an object with a name and age, you can pull them out with one line, constant name age equals sign person. No more digging through the object every time you need something. Sometimes you call a function and forget to pass a value. ES6 says, no problem, I'll use the backup value. That's what default parameters do. It's like saying, if nobody brings snacks, I'll bring cookies by default. Your function still works, even if you don't give it all the info. These three little dots are powerful. The spread operator helps you expand arrays or objects like unpacking groceries. The rest operator helps you gather items, like packing leftovers into one container. One spreads, one gathers, simple and useful in many cases. Imagine ordering pizza. A promise is the receipt saying, we got your order, we'll deliver it soon. Promises help you handle tasks that take time, like loading data from the internet. They keep your code organized instead of buried in callback hell. JavaScript didn't really have a clean way to use classes before ES6. Now it's like blueprinting a car. You create a car class and then make as many car objects as you want from it. It's easier to model real-world things just like other programming languages. So that's ES6 in a nutshell. It made JavaScript more modern, readable, and fun to write. From cleaner functions to smarter variables, ES6 is the upgrade that made developers' lives so much easier. If you're just starting with JavaScript, learning ES6 is the smartest move. Enjoyed this breakdown? Hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which ES6 feature do you want to deep dive on next. Check out my next video where I show how ES6 features look in real code.